Can this company disrupt the cryptocurrency market? There is a cryptocurrency corporation that has the support of major players on Wall Street, such as BlackRock and Goldman Sachs. It is a cryptocurrency company that has raised more capital than almost any other cryptocurrency project that has ever been created. In addition to this company has a close relationship with the Federal Reserve and has been helping to subsidize the expenditures of the United States government. Even more exciting, the company intends to float its shares on several markets before the end of this year. If you're visiting us for the first time, or if you're simply passing by again, hi, this is Finance Bureau, your one-stop handbook for all things relating to cryptocurrencies and personal finance. In this video, I'm going to share everything that I've researched about a company that's steadily taking over the crypto industry, and whether or not it can possibly disrupt the cryptocurrency market. I'm going to explain why you need to pay careful attention to what this company is doing if you care about having complete control over your finances. Let's get right into it. If you've been following the cryptocurrency space, you'll be aware that the cryptocurrency company that I'm referring to in this video is the one and only Circle, the issuer of the USDC stablecoin. If you've been paying attention, you'll know that. However, something that many of you may not realize is that Circle was not originally conceived of as a stablecoin company, and that the company's history in the cryptocurrency industry goes back a very long way. According to Jeremy Allaire, CEO of Circle, the company that makes stablecoins, cryptocurrency is getting ready to revolutionize the payment system, and Circle wants to be at the center of this future. Known for producing USD Coin or USDC, the leading US dollar-backed stablecoin, Circle is attracting growing attention for its digital currency, with partnerships that include MoneyGram, MasterCard, and Plaid. However, the company has far greater ambitions ahead. So to enlighten you, what exactly is Circle? Let's become familiar with its history, shall we? According to Investopedia, Circle is a financial services company that leverages blockchain technology for its peer-to-peer payments and cryptocurrency-related products. The company is situated in Boston. A worldwide leader in the development of financial technology, the business was created in 2013. Jeremy Allaire, who had previously established Brightcove, a firm that specializes in video platform technology, and Sean Neville established it in 2013. Circle began as a consumer peer-to-peer cryptocurrency payments and exchange network, and it sponsored the well-known cryptocurrency exchange Poloniex, when that exchange had some difficulties in 2017. Poloniex was eventually split off into its own company in October 2019. The company discontinued the provision of its Bitcoin wallet services in the year 2016. It was stated in June 2019 that Circle Pay Mobile and any associated web applications will be terminated. In the year 2020, the company turned its emphasis to using their stablecoin as programmable dollars for commercial transactions. In 2021, a transaction with a value of $4.5 billion was completed, in which Circle was purchased by Concord Acquisition Corporation, a special-purpose acquisition company. Late January 2021, after the completion of the transaction, the business began trading on the public market under the ticket code CRCL. Currently, it is a company that allows organizations of all sizes to harness the potential of digital currencies and public blockchains for the purposes of payments, commerce, and financial applications all over the globe. Circle is the issuer of USD Coin or USDC, one of the most rapidly growing dollar digital currencies that powers always-on, internet-native commerce and payments. Circle's mission is to increase global economic prosperity through the frictionless exchange of financial value. Circle's transactional services, business accounts, and platform application programming interfaces or APIs are currently spawning a new generation of financial services and commerce applications. These applications hold the promise of increasing global economic prosperity for all parties involved through the frictionless exchange of monetary value. The ambitions of Circle. In maybe 3, 5, or 10 years, the mere notion of a cross-border payment will be as silly as the concept of a cross-border email or a cross-border browsing session, according to Allaire, the CEO of Circle. In an age in which everything is linked directly on the internet in a manner that is open and available, such notions will just disappear. Circle has ambitious goals to play a significant part in the realization of this vision. Not only do they want to broaden the use of USDC, but they also want to create stable coins backed by other fiat currency, such as the euro, that are analogous to USDC. This ambition has also helped to expand its worth, with the firm now poised to go public in an SPAC merger with Concord Acquisition Corp at a value of $9 billion, which is twice as much as the $4.5 billion value that was previously declared when the agreement was first announced in July 2021. Additionally, when its goods become operational, it anticipates a large increase in income. Nevertheless, in spite of this, it is still gaining pace and presenting a case for USDC's potential benefits that extend beyond crypto-native companies. Circle and the rise of USDC. In the realm of theory, what excites individuals the most about crypto are lines that are climbing steadily upward. But the emergence of stablecoins is one of the most notable achievements in the world of cryptocurrency. Stablecoins, in its most basic form, provide users the ability to store dollar-linked assets directly on the blockchain. This might be significant for peer-to-peer payments, trading, cross-exchange arbitrage, and other applications as well. Circle always holds exact cash at the same value as the USDC it has in circulation, aided in this attempt by its partnership with Silvergate Bank. This is in contrast to the volatile nature of many other cryptocurrencies, which have gained a bad reputation over the years. It is now in circulation with 53.5 billion USDC, which is an increase over the forecasted 42 billion in circulation by the end of 2021. It is expected to reach 110 billion USDC by the end of 2022. For users then, the digital currency is not an opportunity to invest in an asset with a potentially growing value, but instead a means to convert money into a format that Circle argues is faster, cheaper, and more secure to use in digital environments. USDC is a protocol for representing a fiat currency dollar and for settling that transaction on the public internet, explains Allaire. It's an open protocol that's on the public internet. It's on top of many different public blockchain networks, and anyone can plug into that. So if you develop a digital wallet, a financial service, or a commerce site, you can just plug into that protocol. You don't need permission to access it, says Allaire. The majority of companies making use of this at present are those primarily operating in the crypto space, such as developers of non-fungible tokens or NFTs. These companies favor USDC over fiat dollars for business operations, as they can instantly convert them into other cryptocurrencies as needed, enabling them to conduct all or close to all operations without the need to handle fiat currencies. However, Circle is keen to expand the digital currency's use beyond this segment, and doing so will require the company to make the case for USDC's utility to those who are used to a fiat-only payment system. An example of where it is beginning to do this is in its partnership with MoneyGram and Stellar, which is enabling MoneyGram customers to instantly send money globally using USDC with collection in local currencies. This is showcasing potential use cases of the stablecoin, but it also provides individuals with a new way to buy and hold USDC. Circle and BlackRock. Circle Internet Financial was able to raise $400 million this year. Among the investors are BlackRock, or BLK, Fidelity Management and Research, Marshall Wace, and Finn Capital per the release. BlackRock not only contributed to the funding round, but also entered into a strategic collaboration with Circle to take over the primary asset management of USDC. Among the many goals of this partnership deal is for BlackRock to explore potential uses for the USDC stablecoin in the marketplace. To meet the rising demand for a dollar-based digital currency and associated financial services, Circle is getting funding through this round of investment. BlackRock considers this investment in Circle to be its single largest investment on the digital asset market. Since 2015, the $10 trillion asset manager has been keeping tabs on digital assets, and there has been a noticeable uptick in customer interest. In May of 2021, Circle raised a total of $440 million in funding, marking the end of the company's fundraising efforts. Circle has reportedly amassed nearly $1 billion in funding so far. Recently, Circle changed the terms of its merger with Concord Acquisition Corp, or CND, committing to a sweetened $9 billion value. Thus, the present $400 million came only months after that. USDC continues closing in on Tether, or USDT. At the same time, USDC continued to close in on Tether when the news with the BlackRock came out. This comes as USDC's market valuation continues to rise, passing that of USDT, the dominant stablecoin. There are now around $82 billion USDT in circulation, compared to around $50 billion for USDC. In February of this year, the 50 billionth USDC token was produced. Allaire marked the occasion by unveiling more growth numbers, revealing by that 2021, USDC had over 4.6 million wallets. The number of on-chain transactions using the stablecoin also surpassed $2.5 trillion during this time. He added that USDC is available as a protocol on 8 public blockchains, and that over 200 blockchain protocols support the stablecoin. It is worth noting that USDC also surpassed USDT in terms of supply on Ethereum. At the time of writing, USDC has approximately 44.8 billion coins on Ethereum, while USDT supply stands at 39.8 billion tokens. USDC is also catching up with USDT in terms of market control. As of January 2021, USDT controlled 75% of the stable market, while USDC only accounted for 16%. By January 2022, USDT's market control had plunged to 47%, whereas USDC's almost doubled to hit 29%. Its influence. Circle is expanding its reach into other blockchains to maintain its influence in the crypto market after Binance and WazirX delisted its stablecoin USDC. According to recent reports, Circle plans to increase USDC's accessibility by introducing it on 5 other blockchains. To improve USDC transfers across blockchains, Circle has introduced a tool called the Cross-Chain Transfer Protocol. The company announced the initiative at its Converge 22 conference in San Francisco in September. USDC will join the Cosmos ecosystem in early 2023, according to a release, after already having begun to circulate on the Arbitrum One, Near, Optimism, and Polkadot chains before the end of this year. Therefore, all developers working on these blockchains can already start testing their integrations with Circle's APIs. Competition among stablecoins or cryptocurrencies tethered to a government-issued currency like the US dollar is heating up, and Circle's growth comes at a time when things are becoming intense. There is a $150 billion stablecoin market inside cryptocurrencies, and these coins operate as a vital link between the existing financial system and the cryptocurrency market. With a strong user base on DeFi systems, USDC is the number 2 stablecoin in the industry. The new reach indicates that USDC, which was first issued on Algorand, Avalanche, Ethereum, Flow, Hedera, Polygon, Solana, Stellar, and Tron, will now be accessible on a total of 14 blockchains. Tether's primary competitor, USDT, which is worth $68 billion, already trades on 13 chains and plans to add Polygon to the mix soon, according to the company's website. Bridging contracts will permit the transfer protocol's use of a mint and burn mechanism. When USDC is moved from one chain to another, the tool will destroy or burn the transferred amount on the original chain while creating or minting the identical amount on the destination chain. The tool will initially appear on the Ethereum and Avalanche blockchains before spreading to the rest of the chains where USD is traded. So that's the end of this video on Circle. Thank you so much for watching. watching. If you find it as interesting as I did, make sure to spread this video and hit that like button so that others can also know more about it. Subscribe to this channel and ring the notification bell if you enjoy this type of content and you don't want to miss my next in-depth crypto exploration. Until then, you may learn more about cryptocurrency by listening to in-depth conversations on the Finance Bureau channel, which also has video snippets of other interesting crypto-related material. See you on the next one.